Hey guys, this is Kendall Martin from Skydio, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a 60-second edit using only the cinematic modes and settings in the Skydio R1. Let's get to it. One of my favorite parts of the Skydio R1 is that as a filmmaker, I'm usually filming other people, and with the R1, I can film myself doing my favorite activities and get awesome footage, and I don't have to think about work, I don't have to think about filmmaking, I don't have to think about all the gear. All I need is the R1, and I can get awesome footage of myself doing my favorite stuff. One of the most important things when making an edit or making a montage is having a variety of clips. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to get those clips with the Skydio R1. So one of my favorite shots is lead mode, and the reason why that is because you can capture the emotion of somebody's face from the front while they're doing their activity. It really encapsulates the moment. Let's see what we can get. So it looks like I just found a pretty cool spot to do an orbit shot. Click orbit, and it should start to orbit around me. It's that easy. So what using orbit is great for is making a hero shot or an establishing shot of the landscape around you. You can use these types of shots to open or close your video or establish your subject. Now I'm going to put the R1 in follow and try and get some beautiful shots riding through this landscape. Now I'm going to put the drone in side mode. I'm going to lower it down and push it out. See how that looks. Alright, so now I've put it into follow again. In obstacles, R1 really excels when it's in follow mode. So the next shot we're going to get is put the R1 in tripod mode. And I've set it up in this corner here so that when I ride through here, it'll track me, but it won't follow me. It'll stay put right where it's at. Let's see how it works. So now that we're in these trees, I want to get some B-roll, some establishing shots of where we are. So I'm going to manually fly the drone with just the phone through the trees, and because it's got full obstacle avoidance still enabled, I don't have to worry about hitting anything. I can just shoot through, get the shot, and then we're good.
Incredible that just with a few flights of the Skydio R1, we can get enough unique and interesting shots to put together an entire edit. All we have to do now is pull our favorite shots, edit them together, and here's the final result. Enjoy. super easy to get these kinds of shots. All you have to do is be a little bit creative and use the R1 in the correct ways, and you can get a ton of different shots with one tool, and that's the Skydio R1.